Did you know that some freelancers earn as much as $100 per hour? That's right. Freelancing can be incredibly lucrative with the right strategies. Let's take a moment to let that sink in. $100 per hour. That's more than twice the median wage for most jobs in the United States. And yes, we're talking about freelancers here. People who work from the comfort of their homes, or coffee shops, or wherever they please, really. Now you might be asking yourself, how is this even possible? Well, the answer is simple: high-paying freelance gigs. These are jobs that value skills and expertise over everything else. Jobs where you're paid not for the time you put in, but for the value you bring to the table. Think about it. If you're a graphic designer and you create a logo for a company that ends up being recognized worldwide, isn't that worth more than the few hours you spent designing it? Of course it is. And companies are willing to pay for that. Or maybe you're a software developer who can build a custom app that increases a business's efficiency tenfold. Again, isn't that worth more than the time you spent coding? Absolutely. And the more value you provide, the more you can charge. It's as simple as that. But of course, it's not just about having a high-paying skill. It's also about knowing how to market that skill, how to negotiate your rates, and how to consistently deliver top-notch work. It's about positioning yourself as an expert and building a reputation that attracts high-paying clients. It's a lot of work, yes, but the potential rewards are immense. And the best part? You're in control. You decide what projects to take on, what rates to charge, and what your work-life balance looks like. So, how can you tap into this potential and start landing high-paying freelance gigs? Let's dive in. The first step to landing high-paying gigs is understanding your worth. You see, the world of freelancing is a marketplace of skills and talent. And just like any marketplace, the value of what you're offering is fundamental. So, how do you gauge your worth? Start by assessing your skills. What can you do better than most? What unique value can you bring to a client? Now, once you've got a clear picture of your skills, it's time to research. Look at the market rates for your services. Are you a graphic designer, a writer, a software developer? Whatever your field, find out what people are willing to pay for your skills. Once you've done your research, set your prices accordingly. Don't undersell yourself, but also don't price yourself out of the market. Striking the right balance is key. Remember, the price you set for your services reflects the value you believe you bring. So price yourself appropriately. A strong portfolio is your key to attracting high-paying clients. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of how to build one that's compelling and showcases your best work. Think of your portfolio as a visual resume. It's a curated collection of your work that tells a story about your skills, experience, and what you bring to the table. It's not just about the quantity of projects you've worked on, but the quality. The best portfolios are those that highlight your most impressive work, demonstrating not just your technical skills, but also your creativity, problem-solving abilities, and your unique style. So what components make up a great portfolio? First, you need to have a selection of your best work. This should be work that you're proud of, projects that challenged you and where you really shined. It's not just about showing off flashy designs or intricate code. It's about demonstrating how you've added value to a project or solved a complex problem. Second, each piece of work you showcase needs to have a story. When potential clients browse your portfolio, they're not just looking at pretty pictures or neat code. They want to know the context. What was the problem you were solving? What was your role in the project? What challenges did you face and how did you overcome them? This narrative gives depth to your work and lets clients see how you approach projects. Third, the portfolio needs to be presented effectively. It should be easy to navigate, visually appealing, and reflect your personal brand. Remember, this is your first impression. You want to make it count. Lastly, don't forget to keep your portfolio up to date. As you evolve and grow as a freelancer, so should your portfolio. Regularly add new projects and prune older work that no longer represents your current skills and style. With a solid portfolio, you're one step closer to landing those high-paying gigs. Remember, Your portfolio is more than just a showcase of your work. It's a testament to your journey as a freelancer, your problem-solving abilities, and your value to potential clients. Build it well, and the high-paying gigs will come. Networking is a powerful tool in the freelance world. This statement isn't just a cliche, it's a reality that can redefine your freelancing journey. It's about building relationships and creating opportunities, and it's crucial for finding those high-paying gigs. Let's start with the online realm, which is a goldmine for networking. Social media platforms are not just for sharing holiday photos anymore. They're dynamic marketplaces where you can connect with potential clients around the globe. LinkedIn, for example, is a professional networking platform where you can showcase your skills, connect with industry leaders, and even find job postings. Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook can also serve as platforms to display your work, engage with your audience, and connect with potential clients. So don't shy away from using these platforms to their full potential. Next, let's talk industry events. Conferences, seminars, workshops. These are places where you can meet like-minded professionals and potential clients in person. It's a chance to learn, to share, and to showcase. And remember, first impressions matter. So, make sure you're prepared with an elevator pitch that succinctly and compellingly tells your story. Of course, networking isn't just about attending big events or posting on social media. It also happens in everyday situations. Your next-door neighbor, your yoga instructor, the person you meet at a coffee shop, they could all potentially need your services or know someone who does. So don't underestimate the power of personal connections. Now, when it comes to networking, remember that it's not just about taking, it's about giving too. Offer help, share your knowledge, be genuinely interested in others. It's this give and take that forms the basis of strong, lasting relationships. And these relationships can open doors to opportunities that you might never have found otherwise. So, no matter where you are in your freelancing journey, start networking, start building those relationships, start creating those opportunities. Because in the world of freelancing, your network really can be your net worth. Remember, your network can be your greatest asset when it comes to finding lucrative freelance work. Your pitch can make or break your chances of landing a high-paying gig. A pitch isn't just a sales tool, it's your professional story, a narrative that draws in your potential clients and convinces them that you are the best candidate for the job. It's about creating a connection, a rapport, and, most importantly, a trust that you can deliver what they need. So how do you perfect your pitch? First off, understand the client's needs. You need to do your homework. Research the client's industry, their target audience, and their competitors. What problems are they facing? What solutions are they looking for? Once you've gathered this information, you can tailor your pitch to address their specific needs. Show them you've done your homework and that you're invested in their success. Next, highlight your skills. But remember, this isn't about you. It's about how your skills can benefit the client. Instead of saying, "I'm an excellent graphic designer," say, "My graphic design skills can help you create a powerful brand image that will resonate with your target audience." It's about them, not you. Then, provide clear, concise communication. Your pitch should be direct and to the point. Avoid jargon and unnecessary fluff. Be specific about what you can offer and how you can deliver it. Remember, your pitch is not a one-size-fits-all. Each client is unique, and so should your pitch be. Tailor it to the client's needs. Show them how your skills can solve their problems, and communicate your ideas clearly and concisely. And lastly, practice. Like any other skill, perfecting your pitch requires practice. Try it out on friends or family, get their feedback, and refine it until it's just right. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become, and the more likely you are to land that high-paying gig. A well-crafted pitch can open doors to exciting, high-paying opportunities. So perfect your pitch and watch as those doors start to open. So, we've covered a lot of ground today in our journey to finding high-paying freelance gigs. We kicked off by understanding the true potential in freelancing, a world teeming with opportunities if you know where to look and how to seize them. Next, we delved into the importance of understanding your worth. Remember, You cannot expect others to value your work if you don't value it first. We also explored the significance of building a solid portfolio. Your portfolio is your professional showcase, a testament to your skills, talent, and experience. We then moved on to effective networking. As we said, it's not always about what you know, but who you know. Finally, we examined the art of perfecting your pitch. A compelling pitch can open doors and land you those coveted high-paying gigs. Remember, the world of freelancing is full of potential. With the right strategy, you can start landing high-paying gigs and truly make the most of your freelance career. So, get out there and start making your mark. Alright folks, now that you've learned how to unlock high-paying freelance gigs, it's time to take the first step. It's time to put theory into action, and here's how you can start. Firstly, assess your skills and understand your worth. It's important to know what you bring to the table and price your services accordingly. Don't undervalue yourself. Next, build that solid portfolio we talked about. Showcase your best work, the projects that truly reflect your skills and abilities. Also, don't forget to keep it updated as you continue to grow and improve. Then, start networking. Reach out to other freelancers, potential clients, and industry professionals. Build relationships, offer value, and the opportunities will start to come. Perfect your pitch and start applying for gigs. Tailor each pitch to the job you're applying for, and make sure it's compelling enough to grab attention. And remember, the key to success in freelancing is not just understanding these steps, but actually taking action. So, start today, start now. Unlock your potential in the freelance market. You've got the knowledge, now it's time to make it work for you. Your freelance journey starts here. Let's make it count.